inside. Oh my god. Welcome. This is weird. This is our home. For this video, I wanted to do a apartment tour. So I guess because I have like a lot of techie stuff, and why not? I love apartments and interior decorating, and I have a lot of tokens, little things all around the apartment that just make it me. So, want to say hi to the camera? We have our cameraman Burner. So this is our, I guess we'll just go through and do a little tour of everything. So we have all we have is now with our little mirror to do like a little fit check before we go. We got our laundry room. Always doing laundry, literally every time we do videos. Washer, water heater thing. This closet is a hot mess, so don't mind that. But this is where we just keep our vacuums and whatnot. This is the kitchen, and this is where the first parts of the tech come in, I guess. I don't know. So we have our hot air, what is it called? The hot air fryer, and we have quite the gadgets in here. So our first one is the Amazon Alexa. We just got the Amazon Alexa. We're still, I guess, getting used to it. I've never had an Amazon Alexa before, but this is the Echo 8, I think, with the screen. It's really nice, and it's really fun to talk to or play fart sounds. So, yeah. Oh my god. So our next little gadget is the HomePod Mini. I have the orange one in here, and it's just nice to have music in here when you're like cooking. And this is where we have like a bunch of different like cute pictures of all the things of life, and it's really fun and cute. This is my favorite. Next, we walk into, I guess this is like the dining area, and this is where our first smart light is, I guess. And so I can turn off the kitchen light. And then this is also where Spyro's little home is for now. I feel like we've moved everything around, but as you can see, Spyro is not in the cage, so if you can find him, there will be a giveaway. So stay tuned for that later. And then here we have our, what do you want to call this? A mess? So we have a Lego addiction problem, and Legos are literally all over our apartment. So we have this huge bookshelf to put them on, as well as our fishies. So this is our bookshelf, and I think this is my favorite thing that hubby got me. I just love Zelda, and so this is really cool because it comes out and it's like a 3D printed sword. And that's my favorite of the bookshelf. And this is my favorite Lego by far. I absolutely love this Lego. And you can like take, it's kind of hard to do with the plant, but you can take and do the, get run a little bit. It's really cute. Check out our unboxing on the channel if you want to see how we built that one. So this is my favorite part of the apartment. Sorry, babe. But this is my room, and it's as techie as it comes. Techie Sethy to the max. So if you didn't know, I mainly work from home. I like go into the office like once a week. And I have my whole desk set up here. This is a standing desk, so I have like my MacBook, my keyboard, trackpad, and like my monitor, but I usually am like standing while I work, and I recently like changed the layout of my room so it makes, I feel like I have more space now. So this is new for me. This is like the second day I've been using it. But, oh, I went too high. I have to be considerate of how high I go because of this. But usually I'm just like working from here and minding my business throughout the day. So that's my little desk. I think my favorite part of this room is probably the Mario collection, because it's just so many different amiibo. Like I said, I have way too many tokens. Way too many tokens. Yeah. We have a lot of plants, like a ton of plants throughout the apartment. And I think this is my favorite one. No, it's not my favorite one. We'll get to my favorite one. This is one of my favorites. And then we have this whole collection of goodies. This is new. This is really cute. I love how the plant looks like a little coin from Mario. So it's really cute. And then we have more plants and whatnot. In this room we have also a lot of tech. All of the lights, including this one, is a smart light, and this one's really cool because it also turns into, oh, it's this way, a little flashlight. So that's really cool. If I need to, I guess, use it at night. I don't think I've ever used it, but it's really cool. And all of the lights in here are smart enabled Philips Hue lights, so I can take and turn them on and off using my voice. At the forefront is another, this is the OG HomePod. So this one is the very first one that they released, and Siri, hey girl, she's something. As you can see, there's a lot of dust throughout the apartment, and I think my favorite part of the whole apartment is these little guys and their hair that they leave behind. It's just beautiful. Maybe you can zoom in on all the hair. Look at the hair. So, what else is in here? So this is my vinyl record player. I have a lot of albums that I like listening to, but I hardly ever use it. I do have it where I can listen to the music on my HomePod, which is really cool. But then at the same time, it's just like saying, Siri, play this song. So it's like, I have a love-hate relationship for it, because it's like really classic and cool. But then, I never use it. But that's the main part of the bedroom. And then here we have literally just boxes. There's a lot of Apple boxes up here, which is insane, and my towels. I'm keeping it real with everybody because this is like, yeah. And I should probably get a box for the dog food. I don't know. But this is also in here, and this is my favorite artist ever, and I was fortunate enough to meet him in 2023, and he signed this, so that was fun. Really like that. Let me know in the comments below if you also keep literally all of your Apple boxes. This is a collection. And then here we have, oh, I have a light in here. So it's kind of a mess. Don't judge me, but I'm keeping it real. This is this is my closet. I have a lot of clothes and not a lot of space. So yeah, we have Amiibo in here. We have a little collection. Yeah, and then we have like storage up there at the top, and that's about it. Boring, I know. We have a little shelf back here with goodies. This is from like the Reputation film. I got this, like it was, I wore Reputation like as the album, and then I got like a bunch of friendship bracelets that I shared with everyone. It was cute. As you can see, I never used this calendar because it's literally in February. I've never changed it. And then in here, this is the bathroom. This is like the master bathroom, so I have like 2 sinks. I have 2 sinks in here. Yeah, that's weird. I don't know. It's cool, but it's weird. I feel like it takes up a lot of space. But the bathroom itself is pretty big. It's a really good size. I think the entire square footage of the apartment, it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. It's around 1,700 square feet. So it's a pretty good size apartment. So here we have a lot more plants, and I think this is another one of my favorite plants. This type of plant in general is definitely my favorite plant. This Monstera. They're so hard to kill, and they're so fast at growing. Like we literally have a new leaf growing like every week. So it's my favorite. I do want to get into doing more tech related things with nature. So if you have any recommendations for maybe a little farm growing plant housing techie something solution, let me know. This is my favorite plant, and I don't even know the name of it. I just know that it is a Monstera, and it's really beautiful. I love that. I think when you bought it, someone thought that it was dying, and because it has so many holes, but that's literally what it's made. This is the living room area. This is where we watch a lot of movies and play all of our games and whatnot, and we have a lot of plants. So all of this, and here is also smart enabled, so I can say turn off all the lights in the living room. There we go. She did something. There we go. Turn on all the lights in the living room. In here, we also have a lot more Legos. I think we have the entire botanical collection of Legos. We have a serious problem. We just recently got this new bamboo Lego that came out on January 1st, and also the mini orchid. This one's my favorite, and I think this is your favorite for sure. We both have Nintendo Switches. We both got the OLED models. This is the 2nd generation HomePod. Literally the same as the 1st generation, but yes. More Legos, more Monstera plants. And then we have the 65-inch Samsung Q. I don't even know what series it is. I just know it's a 65-inch Samsung TV. It's not the lowest model thing. It's like the mid-tier region, so it's pretty good. I really like this TV. However, it doesn't work really well with 4K UHD from the Apple TV, so sometimes when I'm like going back and forth between channels or apps on the Apple TV, it just, I don't know, it kicks the input out. She's scared of the camera. Oh, I almost forgot. We have some more smart stuff. So we have the Eufy robot vacuum. I don't know the exact series that it is, but this little guy gets the job done with getting the little, I don't even know, the groups of hairs that are all over the place from these 2 canines that we own. And then we also have the Eufy smart enabled HomeKit camera. That's what I use to monitor our 2 canines. But my favorite part of this room, I guess my favorite tech part is the HomePod because it sounds really good in the living room. But my favorite part of the living room is this beautiful accent book that has my queen on it. that my love got me. Love it. I didn't unfortunately get to see her in concert, so this was the second best thing. Going through here, we have even more plants. Even more plants. And we made this from a broken vase, which was cute. And then we have even more ghetto storage. We need to really organize this stuff. This is like our secondary bathroom. So it's a pretty good space. It's not as big as the master, but it gets the job done. You blow it up all the time, so. And then this is the secondary bedroom. There's a few tech items in here that I ended up helping him get to make him. I feel like I'm a bad influence because anything I want, you want. Is with tech stuff.
What?
I want this charger. I want these lines.
What line?
Anyways, so he has the Belkin 3-in-1 charger. So he can charge his phone via MagSafe, and that helps with like standby mode. And then he has the Apple Watch charger, and you can charge your AirPods, which is really cool. He also has a HomePod Mini, which is in Spanish. You want to tell her to turn the lights off? Something los luces apaga. ¿Empieza?
No. Oye Siri, apaga las luces.
Apaga. Duolingo's not working. One of the things I don't like about HomePods is that you can't speak in 2 languages with HomePods, but you can do that with Amazon Alexa, which is really cool. We have even more Lego flowers and a dog that just loves to lay on the bed, and more plants and more plants. And then we have a good sized closet. You want me to open it?
No, it's fine.
As you can see, it's also a mess. Just don't mind that. And I'll just cover this part up. You go ahead. And last but definitely not least is our balcony. It's also a little bit of a mess because the winter came and killed all the plants. I didn't even know this one died. As you can tell, come on out here. Come on now.
It's cold.
Well, as you can tell, we need help. We also have some smart lights out here. I don't have them plugged in right now, but they are little smart lights, so I can tell Siri to turn them on and off too. And so we have some storage space, and then like a little love seat kind of thing. And then we have some solar lights out here to get some night lights. And I think that's about it. Yeah. Sales, come on. I know you want to play. Well, thank you so much for watching. Like I said previously, if you were able to find Spyro, stay tuned. For the first person that comments where Spyro is, you will win a prize that I'll mention and will be featured in my next video. More than likely will be Lego related, because why not? So the winner of the giveaway will receive 1 Cherry Blossom Lego set. And in order to win, you have to be subscribed, follow me on Instagram, turn on those bell notifications on YouTube, and comment where Spyro is first. Stay tuned for future videos from Sethi Techie Sethi. Like always, be you, stay true, love you.